this project here to relocate our cables, installing our cables much deeper so it doesn't affect the upcoming canal dredging project. This upgrade also allows us to modernize two critical circuits that service the Waikiki substation and the larger Waikiki area. Okay. Yeah, we looked at horizontal directional drilling. As an alternative, if we didn't do HDD, we would have to trench down Alawai Boulevard either to Kapabulu Avenue or to Macaulay Street.
So something innovative about this project is the cable type that we use. It's non-standard. We wanted to fit this cable in existing spare ducts, and we tried to utilize those so that it wouldn't drive the cost for installing a brand new infrastructure and duct bank.
For those in the community, we understand that the work we do can impact your daily life, and we'd just like to thank you for all of your patience and understanding.